Howdy partners, today I'm going to show you how to save hundreds of dollars a year by getting these simple tools. First thing you're going to need yourself a set of car ramps and some wheel chocks. These usually come in a kit together. They aren't super expensive, but it sure beats using a jack and jack stand sometimes. Even though that option does work, I personally recommend going this route. Next item you're going to need yourself a set of hand tools. Doesn't need to be anything fancy. It can be a big set, comes with ratchet, sockets, extensions, swivels, all kinds of stuff. Or you can do just a little basic set, kind of like this guy here with just a ratchet and your common sockets there, as well as some adapters and stuff. That'll work for you just as well. Next item you're gonna need yourself an oil filter wrench. One of these guys works. They're super common, super inexpensive, but I've got something even better. I recommend you get yourself one of these filter wrench kits. These are cool little adapters. They attach to one of your ratchets from one of those sets right there. Goes onto the hole right there, and then this will go right up on your oil filter and allow you to use your ratchet to spin it off, as opposed to trying to finagle one of these guys up in there. Now you're gonna be draining that oil out of your vehicle. You need somewhere to put it. Something like a oil drain pan, like that guy right there. They come in different sizes, different shapes. I like to have the ones with the little drain nozzle piece right there, because once you empty the oil in here, it's got to go somewhere. These videos get lots of views and I appreciate that a ton. This year I've got a goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers on the channel. I'd appreciate it a ton if you go down below, hit subscribe for me right now. You're gonna definitely need to get yourself a funnel kit, a couple of different funnels. You could have a couple of these, 5 of these, 10 of these. These are super cheap. Get a lot of them. What I like to have is one for filling the oil in the vehicle, and then one that I use after I drain the oil to put in the old oil container and drain this oil into that container. Now some of you guys might say, all right, I've drained my oil, I put it back in the containers, now what do I do with it? Well, Mr. Pips here has a tip for you. What you do, guys, is you take your old oil to the place you bought it and they'll recycle it. Another option for you, if you have a recycling center around, they'll take it. A landfill near you, a lot of times they'll do oil recycling. They might charge a little fee for it. Easiest thing I found though is just take that oil back to where you purchased it, and that's how you guys save yourself a bunch of money. Do your own oil changes, small investment up front for some of those tools, gonna save yourself hundreds of dollars a year. And if you're like me and you've got multiple cars, you've got a wife, kids, whoever living at home, doing oil changes on your own vehicles is gonna save you a ton of money, hundreds of dollars. And you know what I say to that? Yeehaw! Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button, leave any comments you have, and until next time.
Yeah.